Hello friends, welcome to the Villa Chefs. The dish for today is Moules Mariniere. It is a beautiful and simple dish with mussels, garlic, white wine, lemon and butter. Clean and scrub your mussels and keep them ready for cooking. Prepare a bouquet of bay leaves, thyme and rosemary. This will help you to remove them easily from the pan once they are used. Heat a pan on medium-high flame and add butter to it. Now add the bouquet and move it around in the warm butter to infuse the flavors of the bay leaves, thyme and rosemary. Now add garlic and stir. Add the chilli flakes and continue stirring. Remove the bouquet from the pan. Now add the onions and the shallots and cook till they are soft. Add the lemon zest and stir. Now add the white wine and mix well. Add the pepper powder and the parsley flakes and stir well. Now add in the mussels. Add the celery, mix well and cover and cook for 5 minutes, stirring midway. Add the heavy cream and mix it well into the mussels. Now add in the minced coriander. The Moules Mariniere is now ready to be served with some toasted bread or with French fries. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to bring you easy and simple recipes from around the world. Signing out, the Villa Chefs.